My name is Dr. Rishesh Sharma. Thankful to you and Speed App, sir, for the guidance, for everything, whatever you people provided in the way to just clear this exam, sir. Thanks a lot, sir. And for revision purpose, I had the speed. Speed notes were very fine. It were like they were crisp enough to be read efficiently in the revision time. So they were very helpful for me in that purpose.
Doctor, I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute to Doctor for scoring a very good rank of AML2 in NEET session 2026 April, Super Speciality of Minimal Access Surgery. Congratulations to you, Doctor.
Thank you so much, sir.
And
Um,
yes,
yeah,
Doctor.
I'm highly thankful to you and Speed App, sir, for the guidance, for everything, whatever you people provided in the way to just clear this exam, sir. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you very much, Doctor, for appreciation. Wonderful words. The Speed team will be very happy to listening to these amazing words. Thank you, Doctor. Doctor, can we know your brief background from where you started till date, what all you have done?
Sir, basically, I did my UG. My name is Dr. Rishesh Sharma. I have done my UG from GSVM Medical College, Kanpur, and my post graduation is from Government Medical College, Nizamabad, in Telangana. So I have done my PG from Telangana, my UG from Uttar Pradesh. And after that, I have been doing my senior residency in the same college, Government Medical College, Nizamabad, as of now, sir.
Very good, Doctor. Why minimal access surgery? Of course, this era is of minimal access surgery. Why you chose of a minimal access surgery as your super specialty?
Sir, since it's the time like everyone is going towards minimal access things, like no one want a scar over the body, no one want anything, or no one want open surgeries anymore. Everyone prefer doing the minimal things, laparoscopic and endoscopic things, and even the patient want the same. They should get less scars. They should go home early. The condition should be less morbid for them. So same things are applied here. I was also keen to learn more about laparoscopy, more about robotics and endoscopic things. That's the reason that I started reading for minimal access surgery, sir.
Very nice, Doctor. Very nice. Great. Doctor, once you decided to do so, what are your methodology of preparation? What you did to work on your preparation to get this rank?
Sir, nothing special. I just read what was in my academic, like I read Bailey and Seviston both. And I prepared notes from Bailey, which were like screenshots from the textbooks. And my senior, Dr. Uzair sir, Muhammad Uzair sir, he he helped me a lot in these things since he has already prepared these notes and he carry forwarded to me. So reading those notes was one of the best things. So I had to read the textbook again and again. Instead of reading the textbook again and again, the screenshots of the main script from the textbooks were available for me. And for revision purpose, I had the speed. So speed notes were very fine. It were like they were crisp enough to be read efficiently in the revision time. So they were very helpful for me in that purpose. Secondly, I am a person who regularly gives the GTs, grant test. Grant test I give from whatever app. If a free test is available, I will give it. Whether be it Marrow, be it Prepladder, be it Doc Tutorial, and regular GTs I will give from Speed. And the main thing about GTs from Speed were they were very realistic, like what things may come in exam, they were very realistic. They were not too high standards, they were not low standards, they were the actual papers what will be coming in the exams. So there were that was one of the best things that I came to know while my preparation. So and all of my seniors used to say that you should learn from speed so that at least your grant test will be very good. Your accuracy and everything for about the questions will be nice. That was the thing, sir.
Great, Doctor. Wonderful words about speed. Thank you very much. Team will be very happy listening to this. And also, we want to know from you that the paper pattern. What was the paper pattern? What are they asking in this paper of 80 questions?
Sir, minimal, they ask mainly about the general surgery.
How many questions?
Most of the, sir, there were around 80 questions. Out of that, around 40 questions were from general surgery. Most of the portion, mainly 40 portions was straight away from general surgery. Rest few things about like robotics they will ask about lab, they will ask about the these things which are read in the when person read for NEET access, they can easily go towards the minimal access surgery paper. They don't need to read anything very special about these things. They will ask few questions about laparoscopy, robotics, these things, which will be easily available in the notes from the coaching and even from the textbook they can get. That's not a big deal.
Great, doctor. What will be your message to the future aspirants of minimal access surgery, MCH?
Nothing big, sir. Just if they will stick to their books, they will read the textbook properly, then cracking any paper is not a big deal, sir. If they will work hard, definitely, and luck should be there. Luck is one prime step, sir, because securing rank without luck is difficult. So definitely, reading textbook will be the best thing, and you should go through your GTs regularly. You should give them, you should revise them. That will be the main thing, sir.
Fantastic. Excellent. Time to thank and whom all you wish to thank that they helped you in your career from day one till date. You can use this platform to thank all of them.
Uh, I would like to, first of all, thanks to the blessings by Radharani, sir. After that, my family has supported me beyond anything. Like they can do whatever they can do for me, they have done for me. And after that, my friends and my seniors, they were fantastic. Dr. Ashish Vaishnav sir from GSV Medical College and Uzair Ahmed sir from Usmania Medical College. They were excellent for me, sir.
Excellent, excellent, doctor. We once again wish you all the very best and all the success, Rishesh Sharma, for scoring a topmost rank in minimal access surgery. Wish you all the very best and all the success and a great and wonderful career, an amazing career in minimal access surgery. Best wishes to you, doctor.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Welcome.